So to avoid burning out under high pressure as a student, I want you to prepare yourself mentally and physically. So to prepare yourself mentally, you just have to hope for the best, ready for the worst. So one of the main causes of burnout is a high level of stress due to the high expectations coming from your teachers, your parents, and even yourself. So in this case, you're gonna think like, I must win. I can't afford to lose. So I want you to know that the more you worry about losing, the more likely you will lose. And psychologically, we call this phenomenon as self-fulfilling prophecy. So the more you worry about losing, the more likely you will lose. So how to avoid that? How to get rid of that kind of mindset? There's only one thing that you have to do, which is try to imagine what would be the worst result that you could get. And if, let's say, that really happened, what will be your next step in that situation? What will be your plan B? So you have to be prepared for that, you have to get ready for that. And you have to visualize everything by writing down your plan B on a plain paper. Because as a human, our fear comes from the unknown. We don't know what will happen in the future. So we are afraid of that because the things may not be under your control. So once you know what is the worst thing that could occur, and even that happen, I have a plan B for that. I am prepared for that. I am ready for that. So at this point, I have nothing to fear of. And you will be unstoppable. So this is how you should prepare yourself mentally. But now, the problem is, some of you can't even accept the failure. So they will refuse to think of the worst situation that could occur. Because they're afraid of it, they just can't accept the failure. So they refuse to think about the worst situation for even 1 second. So listen, I want you to know that you are fine. And please bear in mind, as a human, it is totally okay to be not okay. You are fine no matter what. Even you fail, that is not the end of the story. And maybe 10 years later, you turn around and you look back at this point in your life, you're gonna think like, it actually wasn't a big deal. And this process is what we call as growth. So don't be afraid, just try to imagine the worst situation that could turn out in the end and be prepared for that, and you are fine. So now, after you have mentally prepared, then it's time for us to move on to the physical action that you should take. So to prepare yourself physically, the first thing is to stop procrastinating. So this could be a big challenge for some of you. So to stop procrastinating, you gotta watch this video because I already explained in detail, step by step, how should you do to stop procrastinating, especially when you have no motivation. So the video link is here, make sure you check it out after this. Alright, so if you need more motivation, you could join my Telegram study group. So in this group, I will share the info and the study materials that I prepared for you, or the study materials that I found useful. And also you will meet other students like you in this group. So you guys could discuss on the question that you can't solve, and you guys can study together and motivate each other. So I put the link of this Telegram study group in the description box below. So make sure you join this Telegram study group and also share this link to your friends so that they could join the group with you. So this is how you could get more motivation and stop procrastinating. So the second thing is about time management. When you start to take action, you have to plan your time at first. Again, in this video, I already shared about how you should manage your time in detail, step by step. So the video link is here, make sure you check it out after this. And also, I prepared a free study planner for you. So you could plan your time, plan your day by using my study planner. So you could get the free study planner from this video. So again, the video link is here. So this is how you should prepare yourself physically to avoid burning out. So make sure you join the Telegram study group, like this video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm the Sun. Have a nice day.